Princess Penelope's Parrot. Princess Penelope's birthday was always a big occasion. This year was no exception. Princess Penelope's dress had ruffles on its ruffles on its ruffles. Her presents were fabulous. Rollerblades studded with jewels. A bathing suit woven from weird peacock feathers. A 16-wheeler. The cage was 7 layers high and made with June llama's butter. The top of the cake was decorated with a golden cage. Within that golden cage was a beautiful parrot. "Gimme," said Princess Penelope. Her mouth stuffed with cake. "Gimme, gimme, gimme." Quickly, her servants stood one on top of each other, plucked the golden cage from the top of the cake, and presented it. "Mine," said the princess. "Mine, mine, mine." Dribbling cake crumbs, she zoomed off to her chamber with the cage. Then she waited for the parrot to say something. The parrot said nothing. "Talk, big beak," demanded Princess Penelope. The parrot said nothing. "Speak or I'll rattle your cage." The parrot said nothing, and Princess Penelope grew annoyed. "All righty then, I'll put you on a ball and chain." The parrot looked miserable but said nothing. Gritting her teeth, the princess hissed, "Look, birdbrain, I'm about ready to pluck your feathers out one by one." So the parrot said nothing. Furious, Princess Penelope marched right up to the cage, stared at the parrot nose to beak, and yelled, "Why don't you get just lost, knothead?" But the parrot did not get lost. It stood in silence, nibbling firmly on the precious food bird seeds on the cage, and the princess flicked its way. Princess Penelope glared at the parrot, snarling, "Stupid buzzard." One day, Princess Penelope received a message that young Prince Percival would be stopping by our palace on this way to build sandcastles at the beach. Although they had never met before, Princess Penelope had long ago decided that she would marry Prince Percival when she grew up. He was the richest prince in the land. Not just a little rich, but rich, rich, rich. She could just picture herself as Mrs. Prince Percival. She'd have diamonds sparkling from every toe, finger, and a crown so heavy it would fold from her ears. The most precious of silks would cloak her right up to her royal nose. Maybe her royal nose would have a golden nose ring. She would make hundreds of lists for servants. Then she'd settle back on her velvet pillow to eat carver cones and watch a 20-foot TV all day long. But enough dreaming. Now she must get ready to make a fine impression on the prince. She chose her poofiest dress, arranged the new hairstyle, and struggled into her highest heels. And she clippy-clopped about, tying her bow, leaving out her most expensive toys. She came across the parrot. "Stupid buzzard," she thought. Would the prince be impressed by this new little bird? Absolutely not. Never. So she hid the parrot behind the curtains. There, now everything was perfect. Princess Penelope put her sweetest smile, sat upon her throne, and waited to dazzle the prince. Column, column, column. Princess Penelope put her hand to her ear. This must be her prince. Column, column, column. She could just imagine him galloping upon his fine white horse. Column, column, column. Prince Percival galloped into Princess Penelope's chamber. No horse, for Princess feet and nice shoes. Whoosh! Prince Percival bolted held out a huge bouquet of roses. Gimme, said the parrot from behind the curtain. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Prince Percival gulped and handed over the roses. Mine, squawked the parrot. Mine. Prince Percival's eyebrows twitched. How could someone with such a sweet smile say such rude things? Talk, beak. The princess scratched his nose and thought that just maybe he wanted to be somewhere else. Then the parrot screamed, Speak or I'll rattle your cage. Cage? Prince Percival felt trapped. As he moved toward the door, the parrot screeched out, Alrighty then, I'll put you on a ball and chain. Look, Birdbrain, I'm about to ready to pluck your feathers out one by one. That did it. Prince Percival bolted out the door and galloped off. Clump, clump, clump. Princess Penelope followed. Clippy-cloppy, clippy-cloppy, clippy-cloppy. And the parrot flapped after them both, ball, chain, and all. Up and down staircases, past the birthday present room, and through the kitchen, they clumped and clippy-clopped and flapped. As Prince Percival finally galloped out of the palace door to the safety of the green fields, the parrot called out, Why don't you just get lost, knothead? Prince Percival was delighted to do so and didn't stop once until he'd made it all the way to the beach. In the palace door, the parrot cocked its head at Princess Penelope and cheerfully said, Stupid buzzard, then stepped out of the ball and chain and flew away. The prince and the parrot lived happily ever after. Princess Penelope was horribly embarrassed, but she got over it, and in no time she went right to work in front of her mirror, practicing her sweetest smile, just in case the second chick prince in the land should just come her way. The end.